How to change Instagram name without waiting for 14 days. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Instagram name without waiting for 14 days. Now, if you are an Instagram user, you must probably know that once you change your username, you need to wait for 14 days to be able to change it back again. Now, to change your name, if you open the Instagram app and head over to your profile, and on profile, if you head on edit profile, and here if you tap on username, you can read right here, you'll be able to change your username here, and it says you'll be able to change your username back to this is Johan for another 14 days. The thing is, I can't change my username to another name within 14 days. How to change this? Now, there is no any other way to get around it. If you want to change your name back to the previous name that it was, then you can just switch it back to the previous name. However, if you want to change it, then what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon on the top right corner and head into settings and privacy and scroll all the way down below. Now here, head into help. If you get the report a problem option here, you can just simply head into it, but in my case it's right here on help and report a problem, and then tap on report a problem and include and continue. And here what you can report is that someone stole your device and changed your name, and you want to change your name back to another account or something like that, and then Instagram will probably get back to you within a few hours or 42 78 hours, and then you should be able to change your name. Only this is the way that can help. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.